Oh, fucking A. What do we have here?
Hi there, how are you doing?
We have some Gen2s.
Jump out here.
Oh, which floor? It's got it. Oops, oops, oops.
Come on in.
All right, thank you.
What floor?
What floor are you going?
8.
8.
Yeah.
Are you vlogging?
I'm actually filming the elevators here.
Ooh.
It sounds weird, but I actually kind of like doing it.
That's me.
Oh, sounds wonderful. Oh, this is 6.
Yeah.
6.
I'm at 8.
Oh, you're at 8? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm at 6.
I was like, who's getting off to 6?
Yeah,
It wasn't me, that's for sure.
I'm going to 8 myself too. Top floor.
You were 8. Go ahead.
Okay.
I'm going back down, actually.
Okay. Have a good one.
Yeah, it's call recognition. Very interesting. Fucking A, we got Gen2s. Some very wonderful, lovely Gen2s. I know we all love this elevator model. They're basically in every, half of the, new buildings. Oh, sounds wonderful. That's probably what used to be here. Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Smells nice and clean in here.
Oh, good. All right, you have a good one.
Thank you, too. Yep. And we're out. Alright, let's go on to one. Once again, these are nice elevators.
Hi.
Hello. Let me go and scoot over here.
You still filming the elevator?
Yep.
Okay. Nice camera.
Oh, thank you.
It is. See you later.
See ya. Have a good day.
You too.
I think these things close really fast. But yeah, there goes the elevators. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.